Hi, this is my door. Let me show you the setting up here very carefully. Back up. Now, I think that angle may be too small. I don't know. And the hinge is kind of inside there. So that's the door here. I'm going to hit test on the controller, which is better since he told me to adjust jb3 door holder. Now the door opens and closes when you hit test. So that's very good. Thank you. Now I have a button outside. I have a button here. Nada. And I have the remote control. Nada. I didn't set up the Wi-Fi thing yet. Okay, thank you. Let me know, thank you.